Hey guys, it's Amanda from Social Speak Network. I just wanted to follow up with my new blog. It is all about how you can become the go-to health and wellness resource in your community. But I really wanted to emphasize today the importance of professional networking. So basically, networking is a giving, not taking relationship. Networking is supposed to be about helping your fellow business people, helping local businesses, using each other as resources, as references, and learning from each other. So that is a huge benefit that people might not think of when they're starting to network. Typically, when we network, we're all about how we can get our business name out there. But the more people you meet and hear their stories on how they became businesses in the community that you're trying to get into or are starting your business in, you're going to learn a lot about what the community is looking for, especially if they're well established. So don't be afraid to network, ask questions, hear their story, and pick their brains. If you have any situations or issues that are coming up in your business and you're not sure how to handle them, ask around for local businesses and what they maybe have done in the past as far as solutions, because it will potentially give you a new perspective on the issue to where you can come up with your own solution that works best for your business. But you might not have seen that without somebody else coming in and sharing their story or explaining your issue in different words. So use them as references. You build long-lasting relationships while you're networking too. So it's going to be a great referral process, hopefully, especially if you pick the right businesses to start networking with. They can refer people to you, you refer people to them. You want to get your name out there, but also help other local businesses get their name out there as well. Especially if you're in a smaller community, the more that you help others, karma twofold type of thing, it's going to come back around and help you as well. You don't want to be known as the person who doesn't network, who doesn't support local businesses, because that type of thing gets around and people will then see you as not part of that community, and you want to be viewed as the person, health and wellness in your community. Also, just being able to have the opportunity to talk about your business to other business people who have been through it, really it can kind of build confidence up. The more you talk about your business, your struggles, and how far you've come, you're going to start feeling that pride, and it'll show to other businesses. They'll be able to hear your story and why you think you're that person that should be the health and wellness go-to resource. So building up the confidence, building relationships, it's all great in professional networking. So go check out my newest blog. We go through the professional networking opportunities that you might have in your local community, such as networking happy hours where a bunch of businesses get together at night and have casual conversation, but a lot of topics tend to come up, and it's a really good brainstorming session a lot of the times. Local organizations, joining those, getting into lecture series, and going to venues or events where you can showcase what you have, but also see what your community around you already has and how you can potentially fill a need that's not filled yet. So go check it out. We are socialspeaknetwork.com. And if you have any questions or advice for new businesses, or you are that go-to health and wellness person, we'd love to hear from you. So shoot us an email or a comment below, and we will see you guys next time.